Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into whether your existing business intelligence tools like PowerBI, Tableau, or Looker can answer context-based questions on your business. We're putting two AI agents to the test, PowerBI's Q&A Copilot and Lemmata's innovative context-based agent TED. The premise is simple. Both agents were given access to the exact same Power BI dashboard dataset for a global manufacturer and presented with 3 identical business prompts. The results, as you'll see, are very different. This isn't just about business intelligence, it's about business insights. Our methodology was straightforward and unbiased. We connected Power BI Q&A and Agent TED to the same Power BI semantic layer data model. Connections were established via an API call to the Power BI XML endpoint. We then crafted 3 distinct prompts. First, Prompt 1. Provide a full revenue and margin analysis by year, quarter, and month. Identify seasonal trends and highlight the top 5 growth drivers. Next, Prompt 2. Identify the top-performing sales territories over the last 3 years and explain what product categories are driving that performance. And finally, Prompt 3. Identify the most profitable products by gross margin and revenue contribution. These identical queries were sent to both tools with 0 modifications to the underlying data model. For Power BI's Q&A, all 3 prompts failed. As you can see from the responses, it returned errors like question not supported or can't tell which fields to use. The root cause? Power BI Q&A demands extensive pre-configuration, including manual field tagging and the creation of synonym layers. It currently cannot interpret free-form natural language against a raw semantic layer. Now let's look at Agent TED's performance on Prompt 1, Revenue and Margin Analysis. Agent TED delivered actionable insights instantly. As shown, TED provided a full annual revenue and margin summary. It also automatically identified key seasonal trends, such as Q4 peaks and Q1 softness, and even ranked the top 5 growth drivers. In addition, it provided 3 strategic recommendations for accelerating business operating models around capitalizing on Q4 demand, addressing Q1 lulls, and sustaining mid-year lulls. Moving to Prompt 2, Territory Performance, Agent TED not only identified top-performing sales territories like Australia and the Southwest, but also seamlessly linked this performance to specific product drivers. It revealed that bikes were driving a massive 95% of revenue in these regions. Furthermore, TED flagged Australia's impressive 100% year-over-year growth, identifying it as a replicable success model. These strategic insights empowered decision-makers to understand why performance is happening and what actions to take. Now let's look at Agent TED's performance on the third prompt, Product Profitability. Agent TED delivered a precise and comprehensive profitability analysis. This evidence shows TED's ranked list of the top 10 most profitable products by gross margin. It clearly identified the Mountain 200 series as the leader, with a 45.6% gross margin. Crucially, TED flagged the Road 150 series for a significant revenue versus margin gap, suggesting an immediate pricing review. This brings us to the core question. How does Agent TED provide these actionable, operational business insights? As you can see, Agent TED answered on all 3 prompts, instantly, with very low touch from the end customer. It offered actionable insights, identified trends to accelerate key business drivers. Crucially, every answer from Agent TED is strictly grounded in your actual business data, ensuring 0 hallucinations. Deployment is fast. Deploy Agent TED on your existing semantic dashboard layer in Power BI, Tableau, or Looker in under 2 weeks. Then unlock more value from your existing BI tools. No more IT tickets. No more dependency on data teams. Just smarter self-service insights. Visit Lemmata.co to get started and move to business insights and away from business intelligence reporting. Thank you.